Aging skin, imperfections, and loss of radiance. There's nothing a serum can't fix. Serums are an essential part of your skincare routine. But what exactly is a serum? How can I use it to increase my skin's health and shine? How do I find the right serum for me? And how do I properly apply it? Hello everyone and welcome to Beauty Talks with Rochelle, the show that will guide you into perfecting your skincare routine. My goal is to help you understand the what, how, and why of all things beauty and hopefully help you make the best choices for your skin. Today, our skincare quest is taking us to the land of targeted treatments, and more specifically facial serums, because we don't know when and how to use them. These products are often left out of our beauty routines. However, serums are actually pretty simple once you learn a little about them. They're basically little drops of ultra-concentrated active ingredients, capable of treating many concerns like skin aging, imperfections, lack of radiance, and more. So if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, keep watching. What is a serum? A serum is a product with a light texture whose active ingredients are dosed for extra action and boosted effectiveness. Our skin is made up of 3 layers of varying thickness: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. It is therefore important to use different textures and formulas to get general moisturizing action, providing the skin with all the elements it needs from the surface to the deepest layers. A serum's fine light texture allows it to penetrate the various layers of the skin, while complementing and optimizing the action of other products like creams. Its role is to prepare the skin before you apply those products, thus enhancing their effectiveness. Here are some of the most essential benefits you can get from using serums. 1. They boost other products' efficiency. As we just mentioned, the role of the serum is to prepare your skin for the rest of your treatment. Serums reinforce the action and efficiency of other products. 2. They provide a radiant tone. Serums stimulate the skin's natural defenses to make it firmer and more radiant, while visibly helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. They fade dark spots. Serum will visibly reduce spots and continue to erase them over time. Within a week, you'll start noticing spots beginning to fade and diminish, while the skin becomes more radiant and more unified. 4. They intensely hydrate. Serums enhance your skin's hydration, prevent it from drying out, and improve its moisture retention. They also work to protect the skin from outside factors that could damage it. Serum should be applied on clean skin morning and evening, then followed up with a facial cream that seals in its nutrients. Since serums are an ultra-concentrated formula, a few drops will be enough and can penetrate the deep layers of the skin. Using the provided dropper, squeeze 4 to 5 drops in the palm of your hands. Then apply them all over your face with gentle tapping to ensure proper penetration. Don't forget the neck and décolleté, 2 areas that are forgotten and where the skin is very thin and just as exposed. Due to the many brands we see in the market, it can be hard for us to find the right one. To help make things easier for you, I've created a list of different products depending on your exact skin concern. For skin prone to premature signs of aging, you should rely on a serum rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to fight against free radicals that lead to a dull complexion and the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The BB Clear Vitamin C Serum is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. It fights the effects of free radicals and pollution on the skin. It also brightens pigmented spots and gives radiance to the complexion. For dry skin requires serums that provide moisture while treating the lack of radiance and possible inflammation that dry skin may experience. That's why you should opt for a hydrating serum. The Pro White Serum is the product for the job. It restores hydration, firmness, and health while also working to increase collagen and elastin production. For mature skin that is starting to sag, use a serum that is highly concentrated in avocado oil, like the Luxury Avocado Serum, to restore firmness and elasticity while stimulating collagen production and reducing wrinkles for firm, plump, and bright skin. For skin with brown spots, Choose a radiant serum with active ingredients that even out the complexion and fight against free radicals, protecting against brown spots and skin discoloration. The Elixir Light Serum visibly fades spots in just 7 days for an even unified complexion. It utilizes advanced Pro Laser x3 technology to make your skin look visibly younger. The benefits of serums are diverse and varied. They fight wrinkles and fine lines, revive the radiance of dull complexions, moisturize dehydrated skin, and repair damaged cells. In addition, serums may help the skin stimulate cell regeneration. They are very effective with dry, mature, blemished, and dehydrated skin. It's an essential step in any beauty routine because it targets layers of your skin other products just can't reach. That's it for this week's episode. If you like videos where I go deep into a specific skincare product, check out our last video about creams. I hope this video helps you on your journey to healthier, more beautiful skin. And if you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!